Today, we're making Beef Chow Fun. This wide rice noodle dish is a staple food of Chinese cuisine and tastes delicious. From the thinly cut marinated beef to the noodles, this dish is a great option for lunch or dinner to mix things up. Eating out these days can be expensive, but making our favorite dishes at home is a great way to save money and still enjoy a yummy meal. So, let's get cooking. Slice one yellow onion. Then cut one pack of rice noodle sheets into 1-inch wide sheets. You can also use fresh wide rice noodles if you can find them at the store. Peel these apart and set them aside. For the marinade, 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and then for the sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. In the marinade, add a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. We'll then thinly slice 1 pound of beef flank against the grain. Add to the marinade. Then add half a teaspoon of baking soda. This will help velvet our meat to keep it nice and tender. Mix it all together and allow to marinate for at least 1 hour for best results. On a wok set to high heat, add some oil, then cook our beef. Make sure to toss it. Then set aside once fully cooked. Add more oil, then our onion. Give it a toss. Add the rice noodles. Add our sauce. We can then toss. Feel free to add more of the sauce if needed as well. Add back the beef. Toss some more. A handful of bean sprouts. And 1 bunch of green onions chopped into 2-inch pieces. Give this all a toss. You really want this wok to be ripping hot if possible. And boom, we have Beef Chow Fun. This is so much fun to make at home, and it's just so satisfying to make this restaurant-style dish without the restaurant-style prices. The best part is that you can meal prep this for the week and enjoy multiple times. This makes about 6 servings. The beef is tender, the noodles are chewy, and it all just goes so well together. If this looks delicious, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.